Hi digital marketers, this is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to add in class with button, because you know that in the tracking field we need to track order form, contact form, reservation form, lead form, survey form, registration form, lots of type of form we have to track. But sometimes we have to facing the problem. We do not find out the perfect conditions for the triggering in GTM. So for that, in any kind of from button, you do not find out any class to put the conditions in triggering in GTM, then this video is help to you to adding the class with the button. So let's get started. That is our form, you can see that, and that is our form button. Today we will try to adding the class with this button so that we can easily put the conditions for the triggering. So we are now adding the class on this button. So for that we are go to the inspect, and here you can see that here is the ID and the class. But if you do not find out any class or ID in your button, then how do you create the trigger for this button? So for that we have trying to adding the class for this button, so that we have to apply the any kind of conditions for triggering in Google Tag Manager. So here just copy the JS path and go to the console and paste it dot class list. That means we are adding the class on this button dot add, and here you put the class name which you want to adding with your button. In my case I just adding my class, so enter undefined. So you can see that in the element section we are find out our class which we have to put in, but we have to permanently store it in the class on this button. So for that we are go to Google Tag Manager and go to the tag sections and click the new tag configuration, custom HTML, and just we are adding this script on custom HTML script and paste the code here. Now time to adding the triggering, because we have to put the conditions when our class are stored in our with our button. So go to tag assistant and window loaded, and then go to the variable sections. We have to find out the conditions when the class are adding with the button. Here you can see that we find out the condition, that is space path and the contact. That means when we are visiting the contact page, our class will be adding with the button. So that we are pick these conditions, just copy the contact from it and go to triggering section and plus triggering configuration. That will be the window loaded. Why? Because we are find out this condition in the window loaded sections, not a page view sections. So we have back to Google Tag Manager, pick the window loaded from here, some window loaded events, and that will be the page path. So we have to find out the page path. Here you can see the page path, and you can also put the equals or contents, whatever you put, because I am copying the full conditions contract. So for that I put the equals. If you putting the contents, then you can just write the contents as a conditions. So finally giving the trigger name, that is event adding plus, save it, and finally giving the tag name, that is custom HTML button plus add, save it. So now go to the preview options and check out that our desired class are adding with our button or not. So go to the preview option and adding our website connect. Our desired page is contact. So we can go to the inspect and see that our class are adding with a button or not. So go to inspect. Here you can see that my classes are as a class are adding with the button, so we can find out the class on it. We are finally adding our classes with the button. So by using this class, you have to put any kind of conditions to tracking the any kind of form. So finally we are adding our classes with the button. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.